So mindset number one is that action feeds confidence. What's this mean? Well, when you think about your ability to show confidence in life, what typically stands in your way? It's fear. And you can think of fear as mountains, or the fears that you have in your life as mountains. And you're driving along in your car in your journey of life, and if you are very low energy and you don't have a lot of power to you, then guess what? When you reach one of these mountains of fear and anxiety, you're going to look at that mountain, you're going to think, I don't have the power or the energy to get over that mountain. I don't. And so you're going to either turn around or you're just going to stop right where you are because you don't believe you have the force, the power to overcome that obstacle, which looks like a mountain sometimes. That's what those fears of acting confidently and doing things of confidence really look like sometimes. And so action changes this, because action, taking action and being a person who takes action on a regular basis, high energy, doing things, accomplishing things. When you are like that, it's almost as if you put rocket fuel in your car, and when you get to one of these fears in life that seem overwhelming and that seem like huge mountains, you realize, you know what? I've been moving through life pretty fast because I'm an action taker. I create things, I do things, and you get to that mountain, you think, that mountain is an obstacle. I see it, but you know what? I have the power to overcome it because you have built up momentum through being an action taker. And so one of the things I'm going to show you in this course is how to ramp up your energy, how to increase your ability to take action, and so that you have more power to break through these fears when you reach them. So the main idea is you want to be a person who creates, makes, and does things.